No, I am.
What's going on, guys? And we're back with another video. In this one, I'm going to be reviewing the Zhiyun Smooth 4. I use this gimbal for some of my other footage. If you want to check that out, I use it for the trip to Mexico Los Cabos vlog, which I'll put up in the video somewhere over here. But in this one, we're going to review what this gimbal can do with just an iPhone or an Android, as long as it has a good camera. This one shoots at 4K at 60 frames per second, so we'll plug this in and let's get started. Alright, so we're back in. Like I was saying, I'm using the gimbal to smooth out the walking here, and once we find the spot, then I can go through all the features that the gimbal uses, as well as the app that I'm using that's connected to the gimbal. Yeah, this looks really cool, eh? I'm gonna hold the gimbal here. First things first, download the, what's it called, ZY Play app, which I'll show you. Once it's downloaded, just make sure you plug it in, or in the gimbal itself. You can just open it up like that. Let's see here.
One eternity later.
Alright, so once you turn on the gimbal, make sure to just push that out a bit. And you want to make sure that it's balancing out and not slanting towards one way. It's gonna mess up stability, and the gimbal just will stop working. It's already connected to the iPhone, so if you press the menu button, you can see all the things it offers in the settings. We won't go through too much of that, but I want to show you what the controls are. So initially the gimbal is set to PF, which basically means that wherever you turn it, it's going to follow. So just like that, it's going to follow the image as you turn the gimbal. The faster you turn it, the faster it'll move as well. You can also set it to lock. This basically means that it's set to the image that it's looking at right now. So even if you move the gimbal around like that, the image is still locked into the camera. The next I want to show you is this feature over here. Currently it's set for focus. It's usually, or I've tried all numbers, and around 75 to 80 seems to be the best focus. If you click on the button over here, a little blue light will come up, and now the same wheel is set for zooming in and out. As you can see, you can zoom in and out with the same wheel. Just like that. So I'll turn that back off. And then next, I want to turn around and show you these two features. The top button, and I hold it. The gimbal moves with the camera. And if I let go, it'll go back to normal. So if you click the bottom button and you hold it, now the camera will move and follow as you move the gimbal up and down. So if you do like that, and then you go up, you can see that it follows. You can see the camera is tilted slightly upwards right now. To reset it to original setting, all you have to do is tap the bottom button twice and it'll go back to normal. Okay, so that's pretty much it, what I want to go through about this gimbal, all the features that it does. It does have more things that you can do in the app, but we won't go through that in this video. I just wanted to show you what kind of movements this gimbal lets you do. So we'll jump in and I'll show you a cool cinematic video with this gimbal. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. I really enjoy the Zhiyun Smooth 4. If you're looking to buy it, I have the link in the description below as well. I got it off Amazon for I believe 160 bucks, which is pretty reasonable for all the things it can do. Anyway, let me know in the comments below how you find this gimbal, what you think of it, and put up some cool footage yourself. And as always, I'll see you next time.